All right, everyone. So let's try another example. So just like before, with example, you don't really have to understand what's going on and each of those words mean. This is for demo only. So just understand that this line here prints hello world on the screen. Everything else will be discussed later on. So our goal is to write this Java program and execute, compile and execute following these instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and demo this, but if you want to try this on your own, you can pause the video here and go ahead and try this on your own, and then you can come back and then watch the rest of the video. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to double click here to open another file. Sometimes it opens two, but I'm gonna close one. As I said before, first thing I want to do is I do want to save. One of the reasons for this is if you don't save in Sublime Text, you can really write code for any programming language. So Sublime would not know that you're writing this for Java. As you can see, it's plain text. But if you save this with a specific extension, let's say .java, Sublime will automatically know that this is Java. That's why it'll go ahead and recognize the keywords automatically. All right, so example 2, and it should be class example 2 and public static void main string args. Okay, so this is basically, you're going to see this a lot. This is a skeleton of every Java program that we're going to create. So later on I'll show you how to quickly type this, but right now you can just type it all out, so not a problem. So first thing I want to do is integer var1, and I'm gonna just like this, and integer var2, and then I'm going to say var1 will be 1024, and then I'm going to say var2 is var1 times 2. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say system dot out dot print, and then I'm going to say var1 contains space plus var1, and var. Let's leave the last line. So I want to iterate, write something, save, compile, run, and then write something again, and save, compile, and run. So I think this is sufficient for now. So I'm going to save, and notice that I have example2.java. So I can also see this with the ls or list command. I have example2.java. So to compile it, I could say java c example2.java, list again. So here you go. I have example2.class. This is my executable Java file. To execute it or to run, I might say example2. So var1 contains 1024. So then I'm going to go back and then finish my second print line. So then I can say var2 contains one space plus var2. All right, so save one more time, and then each time you make a change, you have to follow with up arrow. You can actually go up in the commands that you used previously. You don't have to retype everything. So I know that 2 commands back I said maybe 3 java c example.java, so I can just go up arrow 3 times to find that and hit OK, execute or hit enter, and then do 2 so I can see my 2 previous or second previous command, and then hit enter. Let's say var1 contains 1024, var2 contains 2048. All right, so this is how we can write, compile, and run Java programs.